Captain, you need to see this. This was recovered from the memory banks of the police droid with Officer Pack.
Laser sword? Haven't seen one of those since the Clone Wars.
Run a recognition scan. Imperial?
File is classified by the ISB. We're instructed to report any sightings of the suspect immediately.
Hold off on that.
But Captain, the instructions are very clear.
Two Boots, keep this quiet for now. We don't need the Empire butting in and making things complicated.